Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to solve your problem that was, basically your progress was not moving forward in the videos, no matter if you skipped to the end or watch the entire thing. And basically, you don't even have to watch these videos anymore. So basically, you're going to send multiple post requests to it, to the server, to the VTU server. So I'm going to show you with this one right here. You're going to click on this and you're going to start playing, okay? Once you start playing, you're going to open the console as well. After that, once you do that, you're going to wait for progress to show up. Okay. So an element called progress will show up and it'll pause the video. Okay. And before this comes, you have to turn this on preserve log. And over here in the filter search bar, you're going to write method colon post. Okay. After that, when you search this, this entire list is going to show up. And now we'll wait for the progress. See, progress is shown up. So now what we'll do, we'll pause the video, right click, copy as fetch, then go to grok. Okay, I've given it a prompt. I'll paste that as well. The prompt you need to write. In this, I'm going to paste this. Okay, it will give you a post request code that you'll paste in the console. Okay, so you're going to copy this, go here, go to your console. Before, it won't allow you to paste, so you're going to just write allow pasting, and then you're going to click enter. Okay, after that, you're gonna paste this multiple times, like paste and enter, 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 paste and enter. Okay. Then you're gonna go back to network. You'll see multiple progress post calls have been made. Okay. Post requests have been made. So you'll still see the progress bar will be there. After you made a bunch of post request calls, you're just gonna hard restart the hard refresh the web page. Okay. So Control Shift R, and you're gonna see that this video right here, this was the third one, it will get completed. Okay, I'll show you one more video. uh, I'll show you one more, I'll do it with one more video, this one right here. So after you click on it, you'll start playing. You'll wait for progress to show up. Okay, let's just wait for progress to show up. Yeah, see, progress showed up. You're going to copy as fetch, paste it in grok. I'll give you the this prompt or whatever. Once you paste that in grok, just copy this, go to your console, paste it multiple times, paste and enter, paste and enter, paste and enter. Okay. After you do that, you'll notice here multiple calls have been made. After that, you're gonna shift, control shift and R. Okay, we go to week 4, that was this, and you'll see it's completed. And even if you, it is, I have logged out and logged in, I've closed the website and blah, 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 and it will remain there. Okay. So I guess